Hi everyone! Welcome to GsmRoot YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to unlock FRP on the Realme C65 RMX3910 and how to downgrade, upgrade, or fix boot loop problems. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the correct official firmware for your device. A link to firmware and a how-to download video is in the description. Step 3. Log in O+ support tool. If you don't have an account, contact me on WhatsApp for remote service. Please note, this is a paid service. Step 4. After logging into the tool, select the firmware you want to flash and click Start Flashing. Power off the device. Press and hold both volume up and volume down buttons together. While holding the buttons, connect the device to your PC via USB. Once the device is detected in EDL mode, release both volume buttons. Do not disconnect the device or interact with the PC during the flashing process. Wait until the flashing is complete. The device will automatically reboot once finished. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to GsmRoot for more.